Hi friends, welcome back to my channel udaysreview. In this video, let us see a Canon lens unboxing which is EF 10 to 18 mm. This lens is popular for bloggers and real estate photographers and videographers. So friends, without delay, let's go into the unboxing. This is a retail box of the lens. Let us open the box. Once you open the box, you will find an instruction manual of the lens. Now, let us remove the bubble wrap and the plastic cover on it. This is a lens itself. It is a plastic quality lens, but the quality of the plastic which is used in the lens is very good. Because of plastic material, the lens feels very light in hand. This lens consists of 4 parts. First one is focus ring, second one is zoom ring, third one is autofocus manual focus switch, fourth is image stabilizer on off switch. One is for focus and one more is for image stabilization. You can focus an object in 2 ways in all lenses, either in manual focus or in autofocus. Autofocus where camera decides where to focus. As the lens is STM lens, the focus ring of the lens is very smooth. You don't get any noise like older lens. We can also shoot a macro shots in this lens. The range of macro shots are from 0.22 mm to 0.7 feet. As I said this lens is made of plastic, but the quality of the plastic is very good. These are the contact point of the lens which connects to camera body. This is the front side of the lens. We can see some informations on the lens. It has a diameter of 67 mm. So if you need to put any UV filters, you should go for 67 mm diameter UV filters. A demo of all the focal length from 10 mm to 18 mm. This is 10 mm. This is 12 mm. This is 14 mm. This is 16 mm. And finally, this is 18 mm. Friends, let me show you the example of Tamron 18-200 lens. This is fully zoomed into 200 mm. Now, let us go back to the 18 mm and let's see the view of the field. Now what you are viewing is 18 mm in Tamron 18-200. Let us see the difference between the Tamron 18-200 and Canon 10-18. Now let us shift the lens. Bang! Friends, this is Canon 10-18 mm lens. What we are seeing is 18 mm zoomed in. Now let us see the 10 mm view of the lens. Isn't it white? Yes friends. Definitely. So that is why this lens is popular for video bloggers and real estate photographers and video makers. So friends, this is about the lens. Hereafter, videos will be coming on regular basis. Friends, I am also coming up with the interesting contents which might be helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please follow us on the social media platforms. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.